pessoal, eu nunca vi esse trem.
Well, flood defences are breached. This is it. This is what extreme weather looks like.
UK, November 15th, 2025. Storm Claudia continues to wreak havoc across parts of England and Wales with severe autumn conditions. Heavy and persistent rainfall, flash flooding, and gale force winds have led authorities to issue emergency warnings and declare a state of emergency in several areas.
Homes, businesses, this is why just defending against floods won't save us.
In South Wales, particularly in the town of Monmouth, the Fire and Rescue Service has declared a major incident. Police, ambulance, mountain rescue, and Coast Guard teams are working to rescue residents trapped in flooded areas. There are reports of water entering homes and major roads being closed as floodwaters continue to flow downstream. Authorities have warned that the risk of further damage and danger to the public remains high and have urged people to avoid all non-essential travel. Regional Fire Chief Matt Jones said the situation was critical, citing the unprecedented strain on local infrastructure. He urged residents to avoid traveling to Monmouth to avoid disrupting rescue operations and advised residents to contact emergency services immediately if there was an immediate risk to life or property.
After hour to evacuate those at immediate risk.
Experts have warned that river and surface water levels could take days to return to safe levels after the heavy rain. Around 20 homes have been flooded as a result of Storm Claudia, including several in Cumbria that had already been hit by recent rain. Strong winds have also caused widespread damage to buildings, trees, and power lines in several areas, with authorities continuing to declare a state of emergency and urging people to be vigilant. Severe weather in Staffordshire has caused more than 50 trees to fall, blocking roads and damaging infrastructure. In Manchester, fallen trees have also hit homes, causing panic among residents, with emergency crews having to clear and secure the affected areas. In Staffordshire, flash flooding has been recorded in the UWI area as one of the most dangerous areas, with strong currents threatening anyone trying to cross.
Já rasgou lá em cima o tolo do Hotel Faro. Vamos lá ver se os meus aqui resistem. Puta que pariu. Olha para isto. Olhando só para...
Meanwhile, the UK Environment Agency has updated its warnings and advice, issuing a significant number of flood warnings. As of Saturday afternoon, more than 230 warnings were in place nationwide, including 58 severe warnings and 150 normal warnings. The figures show that the situation remains critical and the risk of flooding continues even after the intensity of the rains has subsided. Storm Claudia is a reminder of the power and ruthlessness of nature. From heavy rain and flash flooding to fierce winds and downed trees, conditions are still critical in parts of the UK. Officials have warned that the risk is not over and people should remain vigilant, avoid unnecessary travel, and contact emergency services immediately if they are in immediate danger.
The rivers here, River Wye, River Mono. There's a guy trapped in here at the moment. I hope he makes it to safety. Cool.
Lá ver se a moto se aguenta ali. Eu tenho que ir buscar o barco ou caraças. Só que tenho um motor avariado. Ai, a puta que pariu.
The storm has once again highlighted the importance of preparedness, caution, and cooperation between the community and emergency services. Stay tuned for the latest updates and safety advice.
Aquela cena, ai, foda-se, não, está aqui um cemitério de carros, não, vocês não estão a perceber.